this is slowly turning into Uthando Nesthembu Lukampumelelo light, right? But let us get into this. Welcome to our house. Do get chilled. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, we are talking about Uthando Nesthembu, not Umpilo changing her surname, right? Without the parents' consent. Not only did Ugirl change the surname, she went to make sure Uguti she does the ID to say should they agree, should they not agree. Yeah, now she has done her part, and the parents will deal with the consequences because it's been years since they have been talking about this. Ugirl then had a meeting with both her moms to discuss the way forward considering this. Now, the family wants inkomo ezufo, ukuthi why asas, but does that mean inkomo ezifo? What do they entail? We are yet to see. I'm hoping that this storyline will be concluded this year. Then also the storyline Siga Abongwe. Abongwe slowly seems like a person that is a mediator between himself and the other siblings because he's able to like maneuver around Ulwandle and also Usne. This weekend we saw him interacting with Usne, visiting Usne, and having a sleepover no Usne. It means Uguti the siblings have a lot to talk about, a lot to like brainstorm, or like nje they are cordial, if I might use that word. With that said, they called Umpilo to go and clean Indlu Kababumseleku, where Ubabumseleku has is like a home where all the wives, when there's a meeting, all the wives gather. So that house is mostly neglected because no one stays in it. They went and they did their part. Usne was the one that asked that to be done, and the others they just followed suit and they did what needed to be done. The house was cleaned, everything was in order. However, they called Mamaga Singabako. And then Uterelo came when they had discussions with Uterelo, and they asked Uterelo a question ukuthi how does it feel knowing ukuthi umpumelelo unabanye abantu ngaphandle and stuff. So they had that discussion and Uke was like, I accepted, I know that is my reality and I'm not going to change it. So Uke is understanding, but what she said, what was important was that she is on prep protecting herself. Then there was a scene where she was shown with Amahle, right? Where they had a confrontation, a semi-confrontation, because Uterolo started to become sarcastic and make a few laughs there and there. What is going on between Yena and Amahle? What happened that they are not telling us? Do they want to drag what happened to the next season and not tell us now? Or what? I do not know. But looking at Amahle, do you think that Amahle is a real girlfriend, not staged like the virgin girl? Because remember, ichichi labizwa lakhulunywa ngalo, but right now Tirelo uthi there was no chichi in the first place. Does she mean ukuthi the relationship was staged, or does she mean the girl was not ichichi? Which one is which? We will not know anytime soon, but tell us your thoughts while you enjoy all our other videos. Please make sure that you go back and you watch all our other videos.